All right, guys, I wanted to do a full breakdown here for you on this Slushie machine that I got off of Amazon. Show you the quality of this thing and how well it actually works. So size-wise, you can see, as far as like me, it is like a normal, like commercial size, but it's not too heavy. I can carry it around, move it from room to room. That's what I like. It's not like I have to keep it in one place. So really cool there. It is dual slushies, so you can do double different flavors. You could do milkshakes in one, slushies in the other. You could do a spiked slushie and non-spiked slushie. So really like that as well. The handles here, they are really all solid stuff. It's all on this big spring, so nothing cheap at all. And then the actual buttons here, so I'm gonna show you how these all work in a second, but you do have temperature controls. It has auto temperatures, that's what these are, but the temperature controls you can update as you want. That's rinse mode, so if you wanna rinse some water through it, which I do after I use it, and then this one changes through the different modes. Obviously you have your on and off right there. Before I show you that portion, you do have your two drip trays on the bottom. These come out and you can wash them, or you can just lift up the tray and clean out if you want to and put it back in place. That way nothing gets all over your counter or anything like that. And as far as the actual units where the slushies goes in, you can see these little thumb screws on each one. You can undo these and the whole entire container comes off. That way you can wash it or do whatever you want with it, soak it, rinse it, and then put it back in place. It's just these some thumb screws. You don't need tools or anything like that. And then all you do is just open the top, pour in whatever juice you want. You literally can pour in anything. There's no like recipes you have to do. You can take juice, whatever, or lemonade, pour it straight in there and turn it on. It's literally as simple as that. This one right here, which I'm gonna show you in a second, I just bought pre-made juice, poured it right in there, and it was done in 20 minutes. And then just to show you some coming out here. So you just hold it as the mixer turns, it just pumps it out. You can see it takes a little bit, but all slushed up. Again, I just poured some pre-mixed juice in here. You can see it's all really, really slushy. Just to show you here, it's all icy. That's so good, super cold. It literally, it's like a Slurpee. That's exactly what it's like, so it's perfect temperature. Yeah, that works so good. And you can mix it up a little bit, that way you can actually drink it. So that's awesome. And you can see there's different settings here. So I have it on slush. You can do spiked slush, which is just different temperatures. So if you put, some kind of alcohol in it, it'll get colder to make it nice and frozen. You can do frappe, milkshakes, frozen juice, whatever you want there. And also you do get some extra seals here, quite a few of them. You get some lubricant if you need to lube it up inside of there. I don't have to do that very often unless you use it for for your business or something, but I haven't had to use that yet, but you do get these extras. So overall, super happy with this thing. It is so simple to use. You just pour in whatever you want in there and just turn it on. There's nothing else to it. So works great, thought it was awesome. Hope this helps anyone looking at them.